Dear students, the following question is a 1 mark question from topic of consolidation from test series 1. In this question it is asked to compute the coefficient of consolidation of given soil sample and some of the properties, that is permeability, change in stress, change in void ratio and initial void ratio are mentioned in the question. So here again we will be playing with some of the fundamental relationships from the chapter of consolidation. So let's talk about them one by one. Now we know that coefficient of consolidation or CV is defined as K, where K is coefficient of permeability upon MV upon gamma W, where MV is defined as coefficient of volume change, which is change of void ratio with respect to change of stress into initial volume in terms of void ratio, which, as we talked earlier in a question or two before, that if we talk about unit void method, say this is 1, this is E, then total volume can be written as 1 plus E, and this also justifies the definition of void ratio. So 1 plus E is defining the total volume of sample in terms of void ratio only. So MV is change of volume, because volume will be changing for particular soil mass because of change in voids. So del E upon 1 plus E naught, that is initial volume, upon delta sigma, that is change of stress. So substituting all the values, since E naught is given as 0.72, initial void ratio was 0.72, it changes to 0.62, so 0.10 into 100, because change in stress is given as 100, and 1 plus E naught comes out to be 1.72, so MV comes out as 5.81 into 10 to the power minus 4 mm square per Newton. Please take care of these units that I have changed inside only to keep answers in Newton and mm, since final answer is required in mm square. Now if we talk about CV as we talked about is K upon MV into gamma W. K is known as 10 to the power minus 5 meter per second, and substituting K, MV and gamma W with suitable units, CV comes out as 1.75 into 10 to the power 3 mm square, making D as the, not D, in fact C as the best choice, because 1.75 into 10 to the power 3 can be written as 1750 mm square. Thus correct answer for this particular question is option C, and this question gives you a clear idea that how various parameters, that is coefficient of volume change and the coefficient of consolidation, they are different from each other and they are how they are related to each other. Thank you.